Hello, my name is Niels van der Kastelen and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Sunday.
And here I see full service merchandise partner. So what do you do with the merchandise?
Yeah, we are a global platform for companies that help them structurize their branded products. So if a company, a larger company, has a lot of promotional merchandise, our software helps them to scale it globally.
And you show on the tablet over there, is this some of the merchandise that you have? You can talk about it.
This is an example of our catalog. So we have over 400 products that we completely brand for our customers. And next to that, we offer a global logistics solution. So this means that we can send a welcome kit to any place in the world through our platform.
Can you show some other examples?
Yeah, certainly. Other products or?
There's a lot of categories.
Yeah.
And it's like this?
Yeah. This is an example of the bag.
So it's high quality.
Yeah, very high quality. This is a corduroy weekend bag with custom branding, even in the zippers.
Nice. So there's so much merch in the world.
Yep.
It's good to not have stuff that goes kind of like in the trash.
Exactly.
Right?
That's the whole idea behind the Sunday name. So we're called Sunday because we want merchandise that is so cool that you would love to wear it on a Sunday.
Nice. Sunday is like the best day
Exactly.
of the week.
It's the best day. It's the day when everybody does what they love and should wear.
It's the fun day,
Yeah.
and you want to wear the merch.
Exactly.
That's
Exactly.
the best promotion when people want to wear it.
Exactly. When they want to wear it at a family barbecue or at a friend's event, it's if the merch is so good that it's not only to mow your lawn or to paint your house, then that's when you
Do you
reach
have
your goal.
other merch you can show?
Yeah, exactly. So, but it's just to show.
Yeah.
So this is another example. So these are custom beach bags.
So it's a cool beach bag.
Yeah.
And so
Exactly.
the customer, the brand,
They
be
customize
all around
everything,
this?
from the color of the bag to the tapes to the inner lining can also be done. We do packaging and boxes like this. This is a popular product right now. These are tumblers.
So what is the time it takes to ship a box of merch?
So it depends on the product. On average, it's between 3 and 6 weeks, depending on the complexity of the product.
So people just plan a little bit ahead,
Yeah,
and
exactly.
then they get something
Most
great.
of our customers actually try to forecast between 3 and 6 months, and then they order one bulk order. We store their goods, and when they need it, we ship it out to them.
And you have YouTubers working with you.
No, actually not. We do not have any YouTube. We mainly work B2B for tech companies. So we do not have any influencers or YouTubers working with us.
So it's like high quality stuff.
Yeah,
And but the price is okay.
yeah, it's a fair price for good quality.
And where is it made?
In Poland. So everything's made in Poland. We do offer other production options, but I would say 90-95% is made in Poland.
Don't get fooled by fake HDMI products. Only source authentic HDMI products from licensed HDMI adopters and authorized manufacturers and
resellers to ensure compliance. Counterfeit or unlicensed products can cause poor performance.
Certified HDMI products undergo official testing for safety and spec compliance.
Avoid brand damage, warranty issues, and customer dissatisfaction from unlicensed products.
Long-term cost savings come from reliable, genuine HDMI solutions.
Unlicensed products may lack support and pose safety risks.
Use certified HDMI cables with official HDMI certification labels.
Report suspected counterfeit products at hdmi.org/resource/infringe.
Thanks to our global partners for helping keep the HDMI brand real and ensuring consumers get the experience they deserve.